morning, everybody. It's February 3rd, 2022. My name's Piano Matty B. That is Scaramoochie's. And this is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index is back down to 20 from yesterday's 28. Bitcoin dominance is 41.2%. 24-hour volumes at 71 billion, and the overall market cap is 1.68 trillion. Give or take 100 million. E flat major 7th, add 2. It's a gender-neutral chord. Likes to wear smocks all day because it has a little bit of a weight problem. 3 bulls and a bear walk into a bar. Before they buy a drink, PayPal waltzes in and throws up all over the bar. Party over. I'm not sure if I've ever seen or can remember a one-day dump for PayPal of that scale before. 25% and the market hasn't even opened yet. After the staff cleaned up PayPal's mess, Meta stumbled through the door and puked out 20% earnings in the exact same place. And normally I don't really care about anything Facebook or Meta does, but it's hard to keep driving with 2 huge squished bugs on your windshield. The bear scenario yesterday was this triple top we looked at over on the 4-hour chart. It has the potential downside that could take us to about 33.9. And at that point, I wouldn't be surprised if we candlestick the wick down at 32.9 just to put her out of its misery already. But alas, Amazon is coming to the bar today, so some good earnings could change the mood in the place real proper like. But we'll keep the mops and the buckets on hand nonetheless. Now, over on the daily, we've broken out of our triangle to the downside. Lockstep with our falling wedge, you can see we usually play out the swing back down to the support level, with a couple times finding support right in the middle sometimes. And our middle happens to be the 61.8 fib level. The goldenness of golden ratios down at 35.2. Continued pressure could see us test this level for support. Breaking that, there's a high probability that we could continue down to our triple top target of 33.9, and then our wedge support of 32.9, candlesticking that dastardly wick. I sometimes wonder if or when we hit 32.9, we could start rounding out a bottom there, chopping sideways, driving everybody crazy for a month or two. Of course, if that was the case, and we started to rally back up from there, we would look back at it as a V-shaped recovery. Zoomed out in a more stable mental and emotional state, that is, which got me thinking about the personality profile of a crypto investor. Due to other mental illnesses hindering normal social activities and behaviors up here in Canada anyways, I haven't been in the room with more than one crypto investor at a time, like in person, like a party. Remember parties? There's obviously similar socio-economic factors that lead normally sane people into the crypto markets. But I wonder what the underlying personality traits shared amongst us are. The risk appetite must be correlated with temperament and humor, emotional stability to endure massive swings almost on a daily basis, must create a zen-like calm that most normal, sane people couldn't achieve. That being said, I think a room filled with these types of peeps would make for a pretty good party. Now I'm looking forward to the day, optimistically speaking, that is. I feel we are on the threshold of massive social changes, that I can walk into a bar filled with crypto peeps and maybe test these theories. Let's keep an eye out for the Amazon earnings. See if she turns the tide. We'll check back in tomorrow to see what happens. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey,